Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Hey everyone, currently away from home and micless, so excuse the poor audio, but checking in on oil on the daily time frame, we can see a tightening range with multiple inside bars forming in a row. I'm looking at our most recent range of support of 50.27 and resistance of 50.75. So we currently just opened here Sunday night, and we're looking to fit within this candlestick for now, but at some point tomorrow we will be looking for a break of this tightening range to indicate short-term direction. The bulls are holding on really well, and as long as we hold this low of 50.05, they will continue to hold on in a very strong uptrend after a bull break, getting over the $50 level more convincingly and getting up over 51 even. This is a good sign for the bulls to continue progressing this trend change, which is occurring on the weekly time frame. After lower highs and lower lows all of 2017, we now have a higher low and a higher high by the bulls, and the start of a more significant trend change, which is going to have us looking back at resistances of 51.97, 53.74, and 55.21. So significant for the bulls. At any point now, if we do begin to consolidate, as long as we form a higher low compared to 45.62 on the weekly time frame, we do keep this higher low pattern intact and keep those bulls in control. So just zooming in a little bit more for some detail, 4-hour time frame shows us this equilibrium pattern on the inside bars. Again, the inside bars is the macro version of the pattern, and the zoomed in version, the micro version, is this equilibrium pattern of higher lows and lower highs, tightening range. Clear break is coming in the near term future. Checking in on USO, we can see the tight range on the USO chart here. Support is 10.13, followed by 10.04 for the bulls to keep the highest or the strongest pattern. 10.04 is the most important short-term support, and resistance is 10.33. The weekly time frame, we can see that little higher low, but as far as the higher high goes, we've only broken that by a penny. So we do need more convincing follow-through by the bulls to prevent from a potential double top there and to have that clear higher low, higher high pattern and the start of a trend change as we are seeing on the weekly time frame for oil. So bulls in control overall, that is the direction to be looking at for the longer term prolonged trend. And from there, we're just going to be looking at the potential. Let's zoom out. Let's look at the monthly time frame here, but we're just looking at the potential for the bulls. Again, look at this dump. If we can make it back up to the low $60 range, there is a lack of resistance between $60 and $80 that the bulls could very easily move through. So step number 1 is getting over 55.21. Then the sights are set on 62.56. So the bulls do have some potential to see some significant gains. By the end of this year, I don't think we'll get up towards these levels. We do have 2 months left, 3 months left of trading. So potentially in 2018, we're going to be looking for oil to be making a move into the $50, $60 range and taking out some of these key resistances. And I was looking for this. If you've been watching these videos for a long time, I was highlighting the bulls looking to do this. I was anticipating before the end of this year, the setback of lower highs and lower lows on the weekly was more prolonged than anticipated. But now the momentum is shifting back to the bulls again, and we are looking for the potential of this to play out. Still there, it's just taking a little bit longer than we anticipated. So I hope you have a good rest of your Sunday night. We'll continue to check back in on the commodities as always. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you soon.